Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share. Anything you do does help the channel. It's really appreciated. And if you want to go to my Patreon and try to get yourself a mug or a sticker or a bag, trying to add a t-shirt, go there.
Do you still do tricks with the armored? Ricky, do I still do tricks? Come on, that's cute. ZF is always doing the tricks, buddy. Always doing the tricks. And the best trick Zippo you can get is the armored high polished brass. It is the most grippiest Zippo I've ever had. I've never had a more grippier Zippo.
It was at this moment he realized he was up the creek without a paddle.
Oh. Then this Zippo. Look at this. It finally happened. And it happened on live stream. Did you guys see that? Happened on live stream. Wow. I'm going to clip this. I'm going to be clipping that. At least I got to use my copper Zippo now. Don't break Abe's Zippo. Alright, guys. My famous Zippo has finally broken, dude. And it happened on live stream. How cool is that, man? How cool is that? This Zippo is about to be in a video with 500,000 views. This very Zippo right here. And it finally broke from tricking on live stream. And I might add to you, it was lit when it flung across the room.